Hi, my name is Kyra Grendig. I have one daughter who is 4.5 in the Little Dragons program. We started the program about a year ago and it has just been so phenomenal to her. As much athleticism as character building, which I completely appreciate. Especially karate being an individual sport, she doesn't ever feel like she's in competition with anybody. She is only striving to do things as a personal achievement, which we've seen it have really positive effects on her behavior, especially at school and at home. I highly recommend the program to anybody who's looking for a first sport for a small child. The community of the school is unlike any community I've found in any other program we've tried. Everybody's like a family here, and we sincerely appreciate that kind of camaraderie at the Just for Kicks program. So we love the school, and Maya does too, and it's really been such an asset to our own family.